Dear students, today I am going to teach you question number 18 of SEE 2075 Province 3 CP. Okay, and the question is related to experimental verification, and the question is like this. Let's see here. Question is like this. Question number 17. It's like this. Verify experimentally. Number 18. Okay, see this one. Verify experimentally that the circumference angle BED is half of the central angle BCD standing on same arc BD of circle. Okay, and here it is given that two circles having radii at least 3 centimeter are necessary. It means we need to draw two circles whose radius at least 3 centimeter. It means minimum 3 centimeters should be there. Means we will make more than 3. Okay. So now radius should be more than 3 centimeter. So it's like this. Look at here. Let's see. More than 3 means let us make it of about 4 centimeter. If you make bigger, it will be easy. Okay. Easy to you to draw the figure also. It is easy to let us draw 2 feet, 2 circle. One circle. Now another I will draw from here. It will fit here also. Okay, if it will fit, you can draw here also. Okay, 2 circles we made. Now this is question number is 18. Here this is figure 1, figure 2. Our center point out here, this is center. Now we are asked to draw two angles. One is inscribed angle and another is a central angle. So to make inscribed angle, we can draw like this. This is inscribed angle standing on arc BD, and this is center C. So let us join at the center also, so that you will get central angle like this. Circumference angle means inscribed angle. Okay, always you need to remember. Okay, now another will make like this type of figure. See, always while drawing two figures, two different type of figure, it is better to draw. Okay. Okay, let's draw like this. See, in this way also we can make. Okay, so now BC is the arc standing on I, not BC, BD. I think BD may be there. Let's see. In question C, verify experimentally that the circumference angle BED, one angle BED, is half of the central angle BCD. BCD is center, C is the center, standing on same arc BD. Arc is BD. Okay, arc is BD and center is C, so that BCD is central angle, and BED is inscribed angle. So here E, here also E we can put. BED inscribed angle or circumference angle. Here also BED circumference angle, and BCD is central angle. Here also BCD is central angle. Okay. Now after drawing figure, let us measure the angle with the help of protractor. Okay, let us measure. So to measure angle, see, we will measure like this. To measure this angle, this baseline of this protractor we have to match with this one, and then the center point should be at this center here also. See, like this will match it. Okay, and then if you match like this, Look at here. The line has shown here, the angle it has shown here. So from this side, see, okay, our line is one line this side, another line this one. So angle from here will start. So you can see here 0, see. From 0 we can measure, see, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 120, and then number of lines you can count from here. 124 around like this. 124, it's like this. Okay. So now if you see here also, see, now this another angle, see, one line going like this, another like this, see. Okay. So now here, look at here, this is this line and this line. So from here, this is 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then 1, 2, 62 is here. So this is 62, this is 124. You can write down here. This angle we got 124, and this angle we got 62. Degree also write down, okay? Don't forget to write unit. Similarly, let us measure this angle. See, this angle will measure first of all. See, this angle like this. See, this line you have to match with this one, and then another line will show you the angle. See, look at it. Okay, sorry. Okay. This line and this another line, see. So from here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then almost 56 here. Okay, 56 is one. Now this side, this angle also, let's see. Okay, look at it. This angle like this and like this, okay? From here 0, 0, 10, 20, and this is 30, and 2 less means 28 here. This angle we got 28 degree, and we got this one as 56 degree. So 28 to the 56, 62 to the 124. Okay, now what we need to write, see, after measuring, just measurement is not enough, so we measure the angle. Now let us see figure 1, figure 2 I make. Now write down given first of all, okay? Given here is, given is C is the center of circle. Okay, C is center of circle. Angle BED is inscribed, or in bracket you can have circumference angle. And similarly angle BCD is central angle. Okay, so now after this to verify, we are asked to verify that what we need to verify, angle BED, this circumference angle, is equals to half of central angle is angle BCD. This we are asked to verify. Now for verification table, for this table what we need one figure number 1, figure number 2 figure we can make. Another angle BED, we have to write the measurement of BED. Another angle BCD, measurement of BCD. Another remarks. Okay, this much we need. Now let us draw the table for this. Let's complete the table. Okay, now figure number 1 will write here, figure number 2 will write here. Okay, figure number 1, figure number 1. From figure number 1, angle BED, look at it. Angle BED is BED 62, BCD 124. Okay, let us write down. This is 62 degree and this is 124 degree. Similarly, in figure number 2, what we have got? Angle BED is 28, BCD is 56. We have got here 28 and this is 56 we have got. 56 BCD, okay? So in remarks, what we have got? Then this is half of this one. See, if you divide this one by 2, you will get this one. See, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4. Here also 2 2s are 4. Carry 1 will come here, 16, 2 8s are 16. So what we got here? Angle BED is equals to half of angle BCD we got in figure number 1. Figure number 2 also what we got? BED is equals to half of angle BCD we got. So now conclusion, what we can conclude now? From above verification table, we can conclude that the circumference angle that is inscribed angle, okay, is half of central angle standing on same arc BD. Okay, thank you for watching this video.